Are you struggling to install the Keras library for Python 3.6? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you encounter installation errors. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you see that Keras is only officially supported up to Python 3.5. But don't worry, we have solutions. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I install Keras in Python 3.6 when it throws an error? This is a common concern, and we're here to help you navigate through it. So, what's the issue? Keras may not officially support Python 3.6, but there are workarounds. We'll explore these options step by step to get you up and running. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will make your Keras experience even smoother. To begin resolving the user's issue with installing Keras, the first step is to ensure that Python 3.6 is properly installed on their system. This is crucial because Keras requires a compatible version of Python. Next, the user should install the pip package manager if it is not already installed. Pip is essential for installing Python libraries like Keras. Now the user can proceed to install Keras. They should open their terminal and run the command to install Keras using pip. If the user encounters any errors during installation, it may be helpful to check for any existing versions of Keras or TensorFlow that could be causing conflicts. They can do this by running a specific command. Finally, once Keras is installed, the user should verify the installation by importing Keras in a Python script or an interactive shell. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly. Fun fact, Keras was originally developed as a high-level neural networks API, and it has become a favorite among developers for its simplicity and ease of use. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution for installing Keras in Python 3.6 involves using Anaconda. First, create a new Conda environment with Python 3.5 by running the command conda create Keras Python equals 3.5. Then, activate the environment using source activate Keras. Finally, install Keras with conda install Keras. To test the installation, open Python and import Keras. If successful, you should see the message using TensorFlow backend. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the command sudo pip install Keras to install Keras. They mention having both Python 2.7 and 3.6 on their Mac and recommend checking your Python version with pip-v to ensure you're using the correct version for installation. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution for installing Keras in Python 3.6 involves using conda or virtual env. First, with conda, create a new environment named Keras and install TensorFlow and Keras. For faster installation, you can also use pip. If you prefer virtual env, you can create a new environment with Python 3.6, activate it, and then install Keras, TensorFlow, and NumPy using pip. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution for installing Keras in Python 3.6 is provided by another user. They suggest running two commands in your command prompt. First, upgrade TensorFlow with pip install upgrade TensorFlow. Then, upgrade Keras using pip install upgrade Keras. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always check the official documentation for the latest updates on library compatibility. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to install Keras in Python 3.6 without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep experimenting with your projects.